the Enacfire H500. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. In this video, we will look at the Enacfire H500 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The H500 features 8 hours of listening time, 40 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX8 waterproof. The case has a matte finish all around and it feels solid. The branding is on the top of the lid. On the front you'll find the status LED, and on the bottom is the USB-C charge port. The lid feels tight and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the ear markings etched inside. The earbuds have a similar look and feel to the Enacfire TWS NB2 and the Earfun Air Pro. It has a flat, sleek stem design. On the inside face you have the ear markings, and on the outer face you have the logo along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, LED, touch controls, microphone, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a few taps to get the desired functions. The case comes in at 2.2 by 1.3 by 1.8 inches. It weighs in at 42 grams and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe. I'm the one. I'm a one-to-one. I can never be you. Low me twos, no I can't be fooled. Low me twos, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one. I can never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single like oh he rap.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Enacfire H500 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the H500. They were really comfortable and you don't feel excessive pressure in your ear canals, and this is due to the large base before the ear tips. They felt secure and it created a nice seal. Touch controls are a plus since they don't add pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is solid for the price point that this is in. The case is simple and it feels durable along with the earbuds. I like the sleek design of the earbuds and they don't protrude out as much once seated in your ears. Touch controls were responsive and not overly sensitive. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 8 hours and 40 total with the case. I like the IPX rating, so this should protect you from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence, but it's not the overwhelming deep bass. I would say it's just a few notches below the Enacfire TWS NB2 when it comes to the bass. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and I feel this is where it leans more towards. It has more of a brighter sound signature. I would have liked to have seen the bass just turned up a bit more. Overall, for the price, these have decent sounds along with a microphone that is loud and clear. If you're looking at the Enacfire TWS NB2 or the Earfun Air Pro, these should be on your list if you don't really need the ANC feature. So that is my review of the Enacfire H500 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.